This is a 1912 Ford Model T built in the Speedster fashion. It's done like you would see a young kid building a hot rod Ford Model T in 1915 to 1920s. It's very well done. It's got the original flathead 4-cylinder. It's got some nice buffalo wheels. The Firestone non-skid tires. Some very nice pinstriping done on a bright red paint. The dual bucket seats, large gas tank. This is a magneto ignition, but it does have an later model electric starter added to it. Very clean. It's got Anderson Company exhaust and intake manifold. We've got the Bosch magneto there. Some of the instruments that the vehicle has. It has a Joseph Jones speedometer, along with a mechanical tachometer. I was told that it came off of a Stutz. It is a Jones also, and then a very nice clock. Burgundy vinyl on the bucket seats, and as you can see, very period pinstriping. Like all Model Ts, only rear brakes. Carbide generator for the headlights. Winged radiator cap. The electric start does make it very easy to start. I do have a kill switch. Give it a little gas. buying and driving 1912 Model T Speedster. Here we are in the 1912 Model T Speedster, and I'm going to take it out for a little drive. Hopefully I can keep this fairly steady as I drive without getting my fingers in the way.